Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be setting up my planner with the second part of my 2023 goals, the quarterly goals pages. This setup will continue my goal setting series for this year and put the fun back into functional planning, so come plan with me. I've got these washi dots here ready to go, as well as some washi tape I may use, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be using my annual goals page as a guide for the design, continuing on from that first part of the goal setting series for 2023. I've already mapped out how I think I want this page to look. As we'll be setting up my quarterly goals, I'll be setting up 4 pages in total. So this will just be for the very first quarter. Next, I've got some boxes here for each of the goals I'll be trying to accomplish for each quarter. I'm giving myself 3 goals per quarter. Last year I did 2, and that was okay, but I just want to push myself into different areas of my life that will help me get more focused in on accomplishing the things that I want. So I'm just setting it up pretty basic here with a few of those same branches that I used from the Sophisticated Floral Sticker Book on the annual pages, repeating that design here on the quarterly. I've also got those box stickers from the Happy and Grateful sticker book, as well as some washi dots in coordinating colors for the breakdowns. Just trying to figure out exactly where I want to put those dots, and we lay those in while I discuss what I'll be doing with this page. So this is going to be very similar to how I had it last year, but there will be a bit of a change, which you'll see when I start filling out this first quarter. So in the big boxes, that is where I'm going to put my goals. I'm adding in 3 goals on each sheet. That will be my focus for the quarter. And like I said, I'll be using 1 page per quarter, so I will be setting up the following pages in a very similar manner. I went ahead and pre-pulled the boxes just to make sure I would have enough to do all 4 pages in a very similar way, using the same types of stickers and decor. I am just going to lay those big boxes in now, setting up each of the pages along with the header circle and the leaves as well. I've decided on a pretty neutral color scheme for the year. I just wanted it to look serene and classic, not too overwhelming, inviting for me to reference as the year progressed. So this year I decided to go ahead and try to tackle 3 goals instead of just 2 like I did last year. And part of the reason is because I think I'm going to incorporate my health and well-being goals here into my overall goals vision. Having the goals separate did not seem to work for me in the last year or so, just because my health goals have taken a back seat to my work goals, and not having them constantly worked into my schedule really made it harder for me to accomplish them. So I'm going to try to put them at the forefront of my scheduling as well. Hopefully that will help me get farther along with my health vision. So because of that, I went ahead and added in another goal onto my quarterly goals, which will most likely be related to my health goals for many of the quarters, if not all. And I'll go ahead and lay in some leaves now into the corners of the pages. Again, I pre-pulled all of the stickers that I had in this styling so I could see what I had to work with. And they all came out of the Sophisticated Floral Sticker Book, any of these leaf style stickers. And I'll just quickly trim those off on the edges. Trying to save any pieces that are big enough, I think, and maybe I'll be able to incorporate those in somewhere down the line. And then I'm just grabbing anything else that is waste sticker, and I'll just toss that once I'm done here. So like I said, I'm going to set up these pages all at once. I'll also add in the dots a little bit later off camera. Kind of forgot about them actually. And I'm just using washi dots that I grabbed from Amazon at the end of last year. They come in a set of 6 rolls with different colors, and they've really worked out well for many of my planning endeavors. So I've already penciled in my goals for quarter 1, and I'll just go ahead and pin them in as I discuss what I'm going to do. So like I said, I'm going to be choosing 3 goals from my annual overview to focus on. My first goal there is a professional goal or business goal, which is to complete my portfolio site. I've also added in a due date for that, which is at the end of the quarter, March 31st. And instead of breaking it down into milestones, which is what I've done in the past, I'm going to take a new approach to this by breaking it down by time frame. So I have for that first goal an M next to the first line item, which stands for month. And that's what I'm going to try to do each month to accomplish that goal. And for that, I have to finish 2 milestones of that project to complete in the month. Second, I have for the week to complete 3 or more tasks each week. And that's how I'll focus on completing tasks that are related to that project. And then I have a D for daily, which is what I will do daily to accomplish that goal. And because I can't really devote time each day to this goal, I'm breaking it down into spending 2 days or 6 hours on the goal each week. That is how I'll be breaking out my time in order to hopefully accomplish that goal. We'll see how that works out. So I'll be breaking down the next 2 goals in a very similar way. For my second goal, I'm going to be doing my health goal, which is to lose 15 pounds and improve my diet. I'm tying those 2 together because there's multiple ways to approach health and losing weight, so I'm going to be focusing in on my diet for this first quarter. And for my month, what I'm going to do is review my progress each month and make adjustments to the plan. My goal will be to lose 5 pounds at the end of the month. And if things aren't going on schedule, then I will make adjustments then, review my processes and my menu plan to help me accomplish that goal. And then next, for each week, I plan to menu plan and set aside 2 hours a week to prepping my food. Hopefully that will help me make better choices throughout the week and again, kind of achieve that improvement in my diet. And on the daily aspect, I hope to eat more protein. So I have a goal of 80 grams of protein per day and 5 servings of veggies daily. So next we have my personal goal of having more fun experiences. I've quantified it there by having 10 plus experiences at the end of the quarter. And for each month, my goal is to complete 3 or more days of dates or events each month with friends or, alone, just things that I attend to make it more fun. Each week I plan to schedule out at least 1 day of the week for fun experiences. And then daily, I want to focus in on improving my workflow so that I can gain more time for fun activities. So that's basically how I'll be using the quarterly pages for the year. Again, breaking it down not into milestones and tasks like I've done in the past, but more so into time management and how I'm going to devote time and effort to each goal each month, week, and day So going more for a systematic approach to my goals, hopefully to help me accomplish them quicker and faster this year. Also to build in systems to make them happen. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye.